Are you feeling introvertedness, loneliness in your life? You are feeling stressed, have anxiety most of the times. This shows that your sun energy is not functioning properly. In today's video, we are exploring our sun energy which exists in the right nostril, calling the Pingala Nadi of the body. Most of the people have low sun energy. That is why they don't want to do any work. When they wake up in the morning, they feel very much stressed. They have mood swing issues, remain in sad mood, don't want to do anything which is productive. They are anxious about speaking to others. So again, this is showing that your sun energy is not functioning better. We can fight with these issues with effective sun energy pranayam, calling Surya Bhedi pranayam. This pranayam, this breathing is going to activate your sun energy, which exists in the right nostril. So the technique is very simple. Follow it safely. You are going to inhale from the right nostril and exhaling through the left. So let's practice Surya Bhedi pranayam. First of all, keep your body straight, both hands into chin mudra position, making chin mudra in the right hand and place it on the right knee, and closing the left nostril with the left thumb. Inhale slow and deep through the right nostril. Now close the right nostril, exhale through the left. Again close the left nostril. Inhale from the right, close the right, exhale through the left. Do at least 7 to 10 rounds. There are some precautions as well. Now the important question arises: who should practice this wonderful pranayam? Those who are facing stress, depression, anxieties, they are low on energy, lot of introvertedness, loneliness. They should practice this Surya Bhedi pranayam. And the best time to practice this pranayam is in the early morning, because in early morning we need sun energy so that we can finish our tasks properly. We can activate our body system. And remember, your fire element also present with Surya, with sun energy. So if you have constipation issues, acidity, indigestion, so this pranayam really effective. On the other side, if you are facing sleeping disturbances, too much anger, too much attitude problems in your nature, then you should not practice, or you should practice it minimally. Also, the best time to practice is the early morning times. Avoid this pranayam in the evenings, because in evening we need to activate our moon energy. So sun energy is also called your pranic energy. You have to practice this pranayam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Do this pranayam while your bowel systems are empty. And the biggest mistake in this pranayam is that people are not doing it properly. They are inhaling, exhaling very fast. So remember to inhale, exhale very slow and deep. Only then you can find maximum results. So next time when you face anxiety, depression in your nature, so please take the help of Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Stay blessed.